Here's how you can use Plus to automate your weekly sales reporting. Here's a Google slide deck with information from Salesforce, HubSpot, and Google Sheets. The cool thing about these images is they're not just screenshots, they're actually snapshots from Plus, which means that anytime I want, I can hit the refresh button and we'll go and pull live information back from all these different apps. Adding new snapshots into Plus is really easy as well. All you have to do is open up the app that you care about, press the Take Snapshot button, and draw a box around the area of the screen that you care about. Once you've captured a new snapshot in Plus, it'll be available to you in all your apps like Google Slides, Slack, Notion, Coda, Confluence, and more. In Google Slides, all I have to do is pull up my snapshot, click and drop it onto my page, and just like that, I'll be able to have a Google Sheet chart live and up to date inside of my Google slide deck. That's how easy it is to use Plus. Sign up and try it out for free at plusdocs.com.